Now's the time to buy, and now's the time to save.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, Flex Fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, roof rack, speed control, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.